The secret of my beautiful brows in here is the Brow Lift collection ng Get Ready With Me. So, it has two variants, si Brow Lift Pro tsaka si Brow Lift Max. So, dito ginamit ko si Brow Lift Max at si Brow Lift Max, Brow Lift Pro on the other side ng kilay. But see nyo dito, madali yung this is both grooming and laminating. Madali siya itong si Brow Lift Max is sobrang madali siyang maging laminated brows talaga with this effect in my eyebrows, while Brow Lift Pro is very pro talaga, magiging very pro yung kilay ko as usual. In terms of the application for grooming and laminating brows, pasado sila. And kung ano yung nagustuhan ko dun sa first na linabas na brow lift nila, ganun yung effect sa akin. That's one of my talaga, yung mga brow products na meron ako, na on-to-go brow products ito, reformulate nila. And sana nag-stay na lang sila sa isang brow lift na product. And sana maglabas sila ng two kinds, which is pinag-uusapan na siya on TikTok. The question is highly recommended for $3.99. Yes, highly recommended ko ito na produkto, yung brow products nila which is very beautiful on my brows as is. Wow, parang clear brows talaga. And pakak na pakak yung kilay ko. Highly recommended ko ito. Ito yung on to go or OG kong brow product that I've ever used.